To change the bag on the SEBO Automatic X4 XL, we need to lift up this flap here, like so, and then this whole thing will drop down here. Now pretend this bag is full, this is new, just pretend. We're going to get the little dust cover and we're just going to place it on here to stop the dust flying everywhere. We're then going to pinch these bits at the side and we're going to just slide it out. That can now be binned, and to install the new bag we just need to make sure that this is in the up position, and you have arrows here on the bag. We just need to line those up here so those bits are on top, so it's going in the groove there. And we're just going to keep going until these bits click into place, like that. We now are going to locate these 3 tabs at the bottom on here, so we're locating them in there, push it into place, and then when we close this here, what it's doing is it's bringing this up into this part. So line it up, close it, and that is it done. Thanks for watching.